Hello, are we online? All right, so yep, I think we are online now. Yep, good morning to everyone. So, yep, this is the weekly analysis for my end again on a Sunday morning for the Singaporeans. I mean, the Asia part of the world, and then for the European side and the UK or the US side will be, I think, still the Sunday morning. Sunday morning. Okay, so I mean Sunday midnight. Okay, so anyway, without further ado, let's continue on to the analysis review analysis for the week. Okay, so let me toggle to the appropriate screen. Just give me 1 minute. Okay, so the usual disclaimer. So the content covered here, be it the video or the chart that I'm going to share, for educational and purposes. I mean, educational and references purposes only. So yeah, if you do need professional financial advisors, do reach out to your professional financial advisor. Yep, so that is that on the disclaimer, and then of course, yeah, trade within your risk appetite and manage your capital and your risks appropriately. Okay, so the content cover will be the same as usual. So basically I will be covering the review of last week, and then the calendar check for this coming week. What are the major news and the medium impact news that will be released for the coming week. Then yep, last but not least, the plan for the coming week. Oh yeah, so for the Chinese all over the world, a very good happy Chinese New Year's. I mean, soon for all of us, and I think for the next week to come, it will be quite hectic for some people. I mean, they might be spring cleaning up their houses and stuff like that, and yeah, tidying up the places so that to make sure it is ready for the New Year, Chinese New Year. Okay, so yeah, will be a very big event for the Chinese, especially in the Asia or I mean around the world as well. Okay, so being a Chinese, I will also be celebrating that, and yeah, Happy New Year to advance Happy New Year to all the Chinese here. Okay, so let me toggle to the chart. No, maybe first. Okay, the Forex Factory. Okay, so Forex Factory wise, yeah. So just a revisit of what happened last week. Last week we do have I mean, we did have the pound interest rate released from the UK side, and then subsequently we do have the non-farm payroll. Okay, so also yeah, not forgetting this FOMC meeting that was also on the Thursday itself, rather a Thursday morning for Singaporean. Okay, so yeah, Friday itself was the non-farm payroll. So non-farm payroll, I think we did see a very big push upwards for the USD. Okay, so yeah, for the next week or this coming week, yeah, we do have I mean, Powell is speaking. I don't know what the heck he's going to speak about, but probably about interest rate, about the Federal Reserve's stand on inflation and all that. In terms of the major news coming out from the major economy, I mean like the US side. So US, I think other than the ISM, which is related, yeah, to the manufacturing side of things, the purchasing. So other than that, I don't think there is anything much that we should take note of. Yeah, maybe on the Thursday itself, unemployment claim. Okay, so that's on the calendar side, and then let's move on to the chart itself. All right, so on the chart, as you can see, we are in a multi-week, almost I think 2 weeks. Let's see how many candles are there. About 60 candles, 60 times 4, 240. Yeah, about 10 days, 2 weeks of this range behavior of the US dollar, the I think most of the major as well as, but especially for the pound and Euro USD, it was quite a, I mean, it's not a significant downtrend, but it's more like a downtrend channel that you can observe. Later on, I will share as well. But yeah, Euro is slightly weaker as compared to the, not slightly, actually, yeah, quite big as compared to the others major. Okay, so on the USD side, let me see. Okay, so USD side, yeah, as you can see, is within this range, and it seems like the Northern Payroll has make the USD break out from its consolidation. So let's see if there's any follow through after this, and if there's pullback, then of course is something that we would like to look at to go on long, right? Okay, so push, yep, something like this, or it. I don't know, or it might just collapse after Powell speaks on Monday itself, which is yeah, at 8 a.m. Singapore time. Okay, so that is what we should be taking note of for the USD. Yeah. I mean, of course, for myself, I would like to see some more determined move by the market. But so far, it has been ranging. So yeah, ranging, just adopt another strategy for yourself to actually trade upon it, right? Okay, so that is on the USD, and then for the euro, like I mentioned just now, it has been on the this downtrend channel. Maybe a better one that's drawn would be here. Okay, so this is the one, and then yeah, this is the channel that it is actually ranging around. So you have one touch point, two touch point, three touch point, for yeah, a couple of them. So right now it's coming back to here. Is it going to bounce up again, or yeah, maybe bounce out halfway, collapses or something like that? So yeah, it hasn't been the best. If let's say you are trend trading, then yeah, it won't be a best of the trend that you can see. Yeah, I mean, this is a short one, but it seems like it's a nice trend for you to yeah, play along with, rather than this type of um yeah, trend. If you are a trend trader, like this is also fine. I mean, taking away this consolidation, the yeah, so yeah, it's just like mentioned. It has always been 30% or maybe 20-30% rate trending. Then the rest of the time the market is yeah, mean reverting, or ranging, going nowhere. So especially for this pound, you can see it has been ranging since the start of December. Yeah, if you were to just put it that way, yeah, it has been ranging for 280, almost three, yeah, almost 260 bars. Okay, so 260 bars of 4 hourly. I mean, on the daily, you can see it very clearly. It has been going nowhere, going up and down, going up and down. So yeah, not sure with if it's going to bounce back up again from here, or if it's going to consolidate. I mean, if it's going to break out from here. Okay, so yeah, just I mean, I haven't been really that focused on this two, other than the usual. I mean, just to scalp it off from the range high or low. I mean, this is a channel, yeah, channel high or low. Okay, so that is that for the major, and then for the others, I think pretty weak are those like New Zealand dollar and the Aussie dollar. Both of them seems pretty weak, and then this is a flag, a bear flag that has been broken down. Okay, likewise for the Aussie dollar, it has to be. I think Aussie dollar is weaker as compared to the New Zealand dollar. Okay, reason being that, wait, sorry. Reason being that it has broke down from its flat, and then it pulls back out. Now it's coming down again. Maybe it will plunge down lower. Maybe there's some minor pullback before it go down again. But overall, this is a bearish. Yeah, bearish chart for me. And then for, yeah, if the USD is going to be strong, then of course both of them will be should be heading down, in my opinion. Okay, so other than that, I would also like to bring across the attention of what I'm looking at for the next week. So for the next week, I'm actually looking at Euro Aussies or Pound Aussies, but I think I would be rather more bullish on the Pound Aussies compared to the Euro Aussies. I mean, another part of the reason, I mean, both of them has similar chart, which is the breaking out from this um, wedge, or no, not exactly a wedge, but flag, or whatever. Yeah, that they want to call a breakout from here, and then we have a pullback. Now it seems like it's going to have some more fuel to hit up uh, from there. Okay, but yeah, like I mentioned, I think for pound, I do have a bit more conviction in terms of it being more bullish as compared. I mean, in terms of the currency strength itself, pound is actually stronger compared to the euro. Okay, so yeah, on the upside is what I'm looking at, and then um, other than that, I think I did also mention about, yeah, I mean, for both pound Aussies, euro Aussies, and then cat. Yeah, cat has been quite strong in terms of, I mean, relatively compared to other pairs like your I mean other currency like your euro, pound, and Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. I mean, although it's classified as a commodity currency, it didn't exactly behave as like Aussie dollar and New Zealand dollar. Okay, so yep, I was mentioning about Euro cat. So reason being why is a short for me is that yeah, it has actually broke out from this long time consolidation, and it is consolidating again over here. So if there's a breakout, then probably yeah, I do see more downside to come for the Euro cat. Okay, so likewise, Aussie's cat, and but Aussie's cat, do take note that it has been on the downside for a bit time. So if let's say you are to short on a lower time frame with tighter stop loss, right, it might be better if let's say you are to look for yeah, look for this um pullback for you to actually go on short on this. Okay, so yeah, you can see that for the Aussies cat, it has been, this is the first leg down, consolidate the second leg, and then we have this second consolidation. This is the, you can call this the third leg. Maybe there will be there might be some consolidation before it goes down further, or it might just collapses. Okay, so yeah, probably better to wait for a consolidation or a, yeah, something that mm, might be of this nature before it comes down. Okay, so that is for Aussie's cat. So let's move out to anything that I have not mentioned. Okay, I mentioned about dollar. Yeah, so pretty much that is the thing I wanted to mention for this week, and hopefully, this can be helpful to you. And if you do like my video, do share a boost on TradingView, and like my post and follow me on TradingView for more updates on the market, forex market especially. Okay, so yep. Thanks for your time, and see you all next week. Bye bye.